Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at the Civivi Mini Mastodon Flipper. Now this thing's pretty sweet. As you can see, it has a nice flat ground stonewash cleaver style blade made from 9CR18 MOV. It is a liner lock with nicely chamfered G10 scales. Reversible deep carry pocket clip, which that is one thing that Civivi does right. I gotta hand it to them. Pretty much all of their knives carry really well, and that just goes a long way with me. You know, it fits comfortably in the pocket, even though it's kind of wide. You know, it really doesn't shut that huge, except for right here on the, where they have this little hole. I don't even know what that hole is called. I don't deal with a lot of cleavers, so I'm not very well versed on them, but this thing's pretty sweet. The overall length on this guy is 7.125 with a blade of 3 inches. The width is 1.50 with a thickness of 0.12. Yeah, I got somebody's phone number on my hand. Sorry. The handle length or close length is 4.25. The width is 0.875. Now that is not including the blade. This is right under 1 inch right here, and this is probably another 3/4 of an inch close to it, something like that. But, you know, it kind of sits further up in your pocket because this kind of pushes up against the back part of your pocket where the seam is. But, you know, it doesn't make it a uncomfortable carry. Now, the weight on this guy is... Let's go ahead and get this down real quick. I should probably do this beforehand, but I know a lot of people like to know for sure. 3.570. And, you know, that's one thing. A lot of people read the specs out that they get from like Blade HQ or something like that. Well, each knife might have a slight variation in weight. So what they put up, you know, they'll weigh one knife and then write it down. You know, there might be, you know, I don't know, half-ounce difference in between the two, just depending on milling and, you know, grinding. All that matters. But this thing retails for around 65, something like that. You can get them for around 45 at Blade HQ, pretty much anywhere that, you know, handles Civivis. But I gotta say, I'm just really blown away by this series. You know, Civivi just keeps putting them out and putting them out, and all their knives are just high quality, you know, especially for a really great price. Now, I did say this was a mini. There is a larger version of this bad boy, and I honestly cannot wait to get my hands on it. I believe I have one on the way here soon. But this thing, look, if it didn't have this choil, it would be a little bit of a small knife for me, as you can see. But, you know, with that choil, it just gives you enough room to get all 4 fingers on there comfortably and be able to take care of whatever little cutting tasks you need. Now, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram. All the support you guys have given me has just, it's been crazy. I absolutely am just blown away by all the love you guys have shown me. So, y'all stay safe. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next one.